Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn today function in Excel, and with the help of today function, we can know the current date, and we can also know the yesterday date and tomorrow date. So let's get started. So to know the yesterday date, we will first of all type today, press tab, and we have got the today's date, that is 20th October, and to know the yesterday date simply subtract 1 here, and we have got the yesterday date, that is 19th October. And to know the today's date simply type today and press tab, and here we have got the today's date. And to know the tomorrow's date, so again type today, press tab, and add 1 here, and we have got the tomorrow's date. So simply subtract 1 in the today formula to get the yesterday date, and and add 1 in the today's formula to get the tomorrow's date. Thank you for watching this video.